Hi, this is Paige again. Thank you so much for your posting. I'm so excited that the project is starting. Great job, really good writing. I've made some comments about your actual writing, as you'll see in this posting, but I also wanted to use this time to do a short mini lesson. And I'll try to do a different mini lesson every time you log on so that you have just something to think about as you do your revisions. So what I'd like to do is talk about what it means to put proof into your answer. I know that Ms. Newby has talked about proving it with a text. That means you need a direct quote. So have a look at this example. Instead of just stopping a sentence and then starting with a quote, you need some kind of lead-in. We'll call this a sentence starter. So one way to do it is the article states, comma, and now you begin your quote. When you finish the quote from the text, for example, I chose this quote from the Everglades text. You put it here between the quotes. So in this example, I would say the article states, comma, quotation marks, the balance of nature in the Everglades has changed a great deal because of the way people in Florida have used water, period, end quotes. That's just one way of doing it. Another way of doing it would be to say, the author of this text states, comma, quotation marks, and then you quote from the text, period, end of quotation marks. So that way your quote from the text doesn't just get stuck into the middle of your own sentences, but you have a sentence starter that you can use to weave it into your passage. So for today, what I'd like for you to do is definitely use one of these two sentence starters when you integrate your quote. Personally, I like to underline or highlight the quote that I'm going to use, so you may or may not want to do that too. That depends on you, but I find it easier to do that so I know exactly what I'm going to talk about. So that's today's mini lesson, and every week we'll build on that, and by the end of this you'll be writing open-ended responses just so quickly. Thank you.